Hello everyone, it's Joy from PhonePlace Kenya, and today we'll be unboxing and reviewing the Infinix Smart 7 HD, the latest budget smartphone from Infinix. Inside we have the Infinix Smart 7 HD, a transparent phone case, a charger, and USB cable. Lastly, we have the user manual and SIM ejection tool. Now let's take an in-depth look at this device. The Infinix Smart 7 HD is powered by an octa-core processor and comes with 2GB RAM and 64GB internal storage. Battery life is an important aspect, and the Infinix Smart 7 HD does a decent job. It's equipped with a 5000 mAh battery and supports fast charging, allowing you to quickly top up the battery when needed. Now let's talk about the camera. The Infinix Smart 7 HD features a dual camera setup with 13 megapixel primary camera and 0.3 megapixel depth sensor. At the front is a 5 megapixel selfie camera. The display on the Smart 7 HD is impressive. It's a 6.60-inch display screen offering a resolution of 1612 x 712 pixels. Overall, it's a good display for media consumption and gaming. To sum it up, the Infinix Smart 7 HD offers a budget-friendly smartphone experience with its decent performance. For a cost of 11,500 Kenyan shillings, you can purchase this device on our website www.phoneplacekenya.com, or you can head over to our physical store at the Bazaar Plaza Mezzanine 1, Unit 5.